This video will show you how to load your location database into VisitEye, as well as assign territories. It is easy to add, edit, or delete location and other database information in VisitEye by importing spreadsheets. To set up a data table for importing, use the Settings Export Data tool first to have a template for the spreadsheet you need to upload. You can then edit it in Excel, Google Sheets, or other spreadsheet editor. We recommend Google Sheets since it is a free solution and it has some easy to install add-ons that will make your life much easier, as we will show you shortly. Choose to export locations and click on Download. Now open your file in Excel or upload it to Google Drive and open it with Google Sheets. Now, delete all the rows except for the header and fill in the information. You probably already have an existing spreadsheet that looks something like this, where the tabs represent each one of your reps or territories. You can just copy and paste the information from a document like this into the template you downloaded. If you don't know the location's latitude and longitude, this is where the Google Sheets add-ons will help you. To install add-ons that will give you the latitude and longitude for your addresses, click on Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for Geocode. We tested some add-ons, and the ones that work better are these two. So you can click on the Add Add-on button to add them. Let us show you how Geocode by Awesome Table works. Go to Add-ons, select Geocode, and click on Start Geocoding. It will ask you to provide the sheet and the column where the addresses are located. So we select Street 1 and click on Geocode. You can see how the application populates the new latitude and longitude columns. Now, in fact, you can actually remove the old latitude and longitude columns from your address table. Now let's save the file so VisitEye can read it. In Google Sheets, go to the File menu, Download File As, comma-separated values. The file will download to your computer. In Excel, go to File, Save As, and make sure you select the correct file format. CSV UTF-8, comma-separated values. Now that you have edited your file in Excel or Google Sheets, let's import it into VisitEye. On the Settings menu, select Import Data and choose Locations from the drop-down. We are showing you the steps for importing locations, but the logic is exactly the same for the other items on the drop-down. Whichever spreadsheet editor you choose, make sure you always use the same one when saving the file before importing into VisitEye, since some minor differences in the way each software processes file encoding might prevent you from successfully importing data. Now, select the spreadsheet file you just saved. Step 1 of 3. Preview the uploaded file and check for any inconsistencies. Click Next. Choose to Insert New Data, check Field Equivalency, and click Next. Step 3 of 3. Give the data a final review and click on OK, Import it. The Import Data window will display the upload process progress, and you will receive a success message once the importing is complete. Close the Import Data window. You might need to refresh the location search. Just hit Enter on the search box. Refresh the browser window, or log in again to Visit Basis to see the new locations. Now that your locations have been successfully uploaded, You can also import the other location-related pieces of information, such as properties and territories. Let's take a look at the location property spreadsheet template. We go to Settings, Export Data, choose Location Properties, and Download. Open the file. Location Properties only has 3 fields: location code, property name, and property value. Location code is the identifying field to connect all the pieces of information together. So you can create your own properties files also by copying and pasting information from your existing spreadsheets. In our case, we have a property called type, so I can populate the template table by copying the location code values from a spreadsheet, then filling in all the property name cells with type, and then copying and pasting the values from any existing spreadsheet. Let's now see how to assign territories with the Export-Import Data tool. Same thing, we export our template and open it in our spreadsheet editor. Territory only has 2 fields, location code and nickname. Nickname is the username. So if I wanted to create Maria's territory file for uploading, I can just copy the column with her location codes. And on nickname, fill in all the cells with her name from her user field on visit basis. So I copy, paste, and drag. Now I save or download the file as CSV UTF-8, separated value. The import process for location properties and territory tables is the same as for locations. Let's upload Maria's territory file. On the Settings menu, select Import Data and choose Territory from the drop-down. Select the spreadsheet file you just saved. Step 1 of 3. Preview the uploaded file and check for any inconsistencies. Click Next. Choose to Insert New Data, check with Field Equivalency, and click Next. Step 3 of 3. Give the data a final review and click on OK, Imported. On the Territory window, we can see that Maria has been assigned all the new locations. You can also delete or update records using the same process. Let's say I want to delete some records from our locations database. So I added a spreadsheet with the locations that are to be deleted. Save or download as a separated value file. In VisitEye, I go to Import Data on the Settings menu. Select the file I just saved. We verify the data. Now on Step 2, I select Delete Data. By doing that, I will delete the locations I am uploading. So in Step 3, I check and click on OK, Uploaded. Success. I can also have a spreadsheet like this, where I made corrections to address information. In this case, I just need to keep intact the information on the location code field and edit the rest. Now save again as CSV. So on VisitEye, I import, select File, Next. In this case, on Step 2, I will select Update Existing Data, and then OK, Imported. The location addresses are imported are now updated. Should you have any questions, please contact us at support@visitbases.com.